In this video I am going to tell you how you can use basics of Filmora video editing software. So first of all, you need to open google.com and you need to simply download Filmora. So it is free of cost, but it will give you a logo. So if you want Filmora paid version, so you can go for it. This is Filmora WonderShare.net. You just need to type Google, Filmora in Google and open the first link in WonderShare. So after that you can download the software. So I have paid version, you can download for free as well. So this is for Windows 11 and below, so it will work on all Windows versions. So you can download it, simply download it free. So after downloading, I have already downloaded it, so I will just open Filmora software in my system and show you how to do video editing in this software. So after opening this Filmora software, so this is the Filmora software, and now you can see there is a plus button. You can simply drag and drop your video here, or you can click on plus. So you need to select a video from your system. So I have, this is the video which I am going to add. So after adding this from here, you need to click this plus button to add it. This is the timelines. So you just need to click on this add to project and click on you can select any of this ratio, keep the project settings or match to the media. You can select any one of them according to your needs. So I am selecting this one. So this is the video which I will edit here now. So first of all, I will show you how to cut a video. So for example, this is the audio. You can see this is ups and downs. This is the audio lines. So till here I am not speaking anything. You can drag and drop this cursor from here. So you can drag and drop this from here, and you can simply select here. So I want to cut this part, this portion, and remain this one. So this is, you can cut from here as well, or this is split option. You can see from here as well, and you use this scissor is showing here. So just tap on this. So you can click here as well. So just select this this place and press delete button from your keyboard. So I want this thing from here. So you can select any of these. You can again cut this. You can place this thing. Make sure to select if you mistakenly delete any. For example, if I delete this part, so I can click on Control Z to undo things. So I'll delete this part, this portion. So this is thing working. So you can see this is the thing which I did. In between also you can edit things, like from here I want to edit. This is a buffer time where I am not speaking anything or speaking something mistakenly wrong. So you can delete it. I hope friends now you will be able to cut things. So now I will show you how to crop this video. So if you have any sofa or anything else in your house which is you don't want, just right click on this and click on this crop and zoom. So from here you can simply crop this unnecessary part from here. You need to drag and drop things from here like this. You can crop it, like I will crop this part and click on OK. That's it, the other portion is cropped. If I don't want, I return back. So I'll just make things correct, and after that I can click this thing. Cropping is very easy in Filmora. So hi friends, now you will be able to crop your video and delete the unnecessary parts. Now I will show you how to add text. So for this you need to click on this option titles. You can see here where cursor. So just click on titles, and these are the places from where you can add the content. You can see this again titles. You need to click on this. So you can select any one of this theme. For example, I'll select a simple one, this thing. So I added this in timeline. So I need to just double tap on this, and you can see you need to type anything here. You can type anything, or you can resize it from here. You can change the font, and you can drag and drop it anywhere you want, like here this, and you can change the color as well. You can do all the changes from here to can make it black, green, anything. So it will show like this. You can see this is a text till this part. You can, if you want text till this part, you can drag and drop from here. So it is very easy. So after that, after this portion it will not show. So You can simply add text as well using this option. If you want to mute any audio or delete any audio, you can right click on this, and there's an option of mute as well. You can simply mute it if you want. Right after clicking on right, there's an option of mute. There are some other option as well, cut, show. You need to explore these things, split things. There are some options. You can rotate the things. If you want to rotate your video, you can rotate it from here. So there's these options you need to check one by one. Color correction, you can check green screen. If you have a green screen, you can change the background as well using this green screen option. And if you want to blur any specific part, for example this thing, if you want to blur anything, you need to click on this option effects, and in search bar you need to type mosaic, 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 and just tap on this. So I'll add this thing like blur option. I'll just click on this, and I will just tap on this. I want to blur anything, my face I want to blur. You can drag and drop it from here. If you want to blur your anything, any portion, for example you have something here, you can blur it. You can see my face is blurred. I can increase and decrease this thing. So you can also increase this from here, in which part you want to blur. You can increase and decrease the size. Till here my face is showing, and now my face is blurred. So you can blur any object in your video. After doing all these basic changes, you can do other changes as well. You need to explore things one by one. You can go to all these tools option. So you can also check out my Filmora playlist. I have specially created Filmora playlist in my channel, so you can check out. If you want any specific thing in Filmora, you can comment below, and I will make a specific video on this. And after making all these changes, you need to click on this option export, and you need to give it a name. You can select the file format. Mainly it is in MP4 only, so I click on MP4 and just click on export, and your file will be exported and saved to your system. And you can also check it and make it shorter, so that I can show you the export file. Let me show you. It will be completed within few seconds. So it is very easy to use Filmora, and I recommend people to use WonderShare Filmora. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, or if you have any question, you can comment below and I will definitely give you a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.